missing someone. With all your
Can we focus? Got to keep it focused. I took a nap all night. I got off of work at 5 and I had all these really fun plans, like hanging out by myself. But then I fell asleep. I'm still gonna make the most out of tonight, but first off, it starts with checking out that sexy sunset. Where are you? Can you see? Whoa. Right now, I am about to pick up my best friend. She is moving here to Panama City Beach with me, and I am so excited.
Say hello to my little friend!
I really wanted to show you around Panama City Beach, or around Florida.
This thing is so white.
I thought, what better way than to go on a helicopter ride, and I already got us tickets.
Wait, no way, really?
Tickets for today for a helicopter ride for you and me, just to like fly over.
Oh my gosh! Yours.
And I'm kind of scared. I haven't even thought about it.
I know.
Oh well.
It's fine.
Okay. We're next.
We're next.
We're next. How do you feel?
I think taking off is gonna be the worst part.
I think that's gonna be the most fun part. I think getting in is gonna be the worst part. Getting in the plane.
Yeah. Yep.
The plane, the helicopter. Pizza time. Are we gonna be civil and eat with plates? Oh. I'm okay. We are at the cutest cupcake store.
It's a lemon drop cupcake with 38 sunshine. And it's just like raspberry, but better.
I'm gonna go for one of these. Oh my gosh! Cheers!
They're so cute.
Not ready to explode. Not ready. I was only for how my heart was not ready. I was only for how my heart was not ready. I was only for how my heart was not ready to explode. Not ready. For how my heart was not ready. I was only for how my heart was not ready. I was only for how my heart was not ready to explode.
Buttercup, you.
They're so pretty. I got my 4 favorite donuts.
These donuts are great.
We have old-fashioned, red velvet, Holland, which is by far my favorite, and chocolate glazed.
Mole Mole Donut Shop.
There's like crumbles in there now.
Wow.